you wanna say hi to people? Hey everyone, this is Ace. Yeah, he is really naughty, you know. He's been playing for last, I don't know, God, for like 2 hours now. He won't let go of the ball. Come on, it's my turn now. Honestly, it's my turn. Come on, sit down now. No, let's be serious now. Sit down, my boy. Oh my God. Ace, I know you can do it. Sit down. Sit down. You don't want to sit down? I'm gonna post this video, you know what? Sit down. You was going to sit down, you see? Almost. I'm gonna grab the ball now. You leave the ball for me, okay? To drop it for you. Okay, no. Okay, again, we try again. But you're gonna leave it this time. Look at you, you're ready to grab the ball. At least stay for a little bit. Okay, 1, 2. No way, 1, 2. Okay, now. What's that? Look up behind you. Hi, mommy. Look up behind you. Look up behind you.